Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to restore missing or delete service in Windows 10 or 11. So this is very easy to restore it. So first you need to search CMD and run as administrator. Simply click on it, and another way to simply right click on command prompt and run as administrator. You try this both way. It's ask permission, so click on yes. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan. Now press enter and wait some few minutes till this process will be 100%. So this process will be 100%. So type second command. I will give a decision box, so you need to just copy and paste it this command line. After this, both process will be successfully run. So close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, your all problems will be fixed. So this way you can restore missing or delete service in Windows 10 or 11. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching again.